everybody. This is one of my tutorials. I'm making these for my students, but anybody else is free to give them a try. I hope you like them. This is a simple Zentangle. Zentangles are a lot of fun and also can be really calming. Start off really simply, just draw a square or any other shape, and then just divide it into sections, any kind of sections, just randomly. It doesn't matter. And then in each section, just draw a different design. They can be really simple, like just lines. It doesn't have to be complicated. This is for enjoyment. This is to help you relax and be creative. And you can be creative and not worry about having talent. That's not important. What's important is to let your imagination go and to just let your mind feel new ideas. So here you go. This is the simple Zentangle.